Hello, welcome back to Codecademy's Learn JavaScript. We're in the arrays section. This is the push method. Let's learn about some built-in JavaScript methods that make working with arrays easier. These methods are specifically called on arrays to make common tasks like adding and removing elements more straightforward. One method, .push, allows us to add items to the end of an array. Here's an example of how this is used. We have this array, item tracker, that has item 0, item 1, and item 2. Here, item tracker.push does item 3, item 4. If we console log item tracker, we will see that item 3 and 4 were pushed to the end of our array. So how does .push work? We access the push method by using dot notation, connecting push to item tracker with a period. Then we call it like a function. That's because .push is a function and one that JavaScript allows us to use right on an array. .push can take a single argument or multiple arguments separated by commas. In this case, we're adding two elements, item 3 and item 4, to item tracker. Notice that .push changes or mutates item tracker. You might also see .push referred to as a destructive array method since it changes the initial array. If you're looking for a method that will mutate an array by adding elements to it, then push is the method for you. Instructions: add two elements to the chores array using .push. Let's zoom out, go here, and we're going to add two chores using push. So it's going to look similar to their example here. We're going to take chores and push two chores to the end of it. Let's do that now. And we can run it. We did pass. Let's console log our chores array to make sure our items were added. And we do see cut grass and rake leaves was added to our array. If we zoom out, the push method allows us to add elements to our array. It will push those elements to the end of our array. We're able to use the push method by using dot notation. Then within parentheses, we give the values we want to push, separated by commas. If you're understanding that, you're understanding the push method for arrays. Once you got it, I'll see you in the next lesson.